How to sync contacts on Android with Gmail account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and then click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Accounts on this device. And here you want to click on the account that you want to sync the contacts to. Then click on Sync Account. And as you can see, the Sync Contacts is turned off. So all what you need to do is click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And as you can see, it's syncing the contacts with this Gmail account. And now the contacts has been synced. So that was it for this video. That's how you can sync your contacts with your Gmail account on an Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.